With the coronavirus outbreak continuing to spread, many folks are canceling their travel plans, which of course can be very expensive. So what can consumers do to protect themselves? And what about travelers insurance? Joining us now to talk about travel insurance options is Andrew Schrage, the CEO and co-founder of personal finance website Money Crashers. Hey, Andrew, thanks so much for joining us. Yeah, I mean, in terms of canceling your trip, what's your advice to travelers at this point?
Yeah, so in terms of canceling your trip, you have to go with what's comfortable to you, regardless of whether that's covered by your travel insurance. So whatever is going to make you comfortable and not be on where you're fearful and worried all the time, that's the decision you need to make. And then the financials will come after.
So yeah, I mean, it depends. I'm guessing, where you've booked your trip. It's a case-by-case basis. Let's say you've booked a cruise, for example. That's something that's been in the news a lot. And you're worried about getting on a cruise ship. What kind of options do you have? I mean, does traveler's insurance even protect you in a situation like that?
Yes, so this is one of the most common questions we get at Money Crashers is, will my travel insurance cover me canceling the trip due to the coronavirus? And unfortunately, most travel insurance policies will not provide carte blanche. They will not allow you to cancel your travel for any reason, including the coronavirus. It needs to be something covered by the policy, like in your job, or you or in a family become sick, or there's some kind of work emergency. These are items that do allow you to cancel and get a refund.
So yeah, because that's a very specific thing. And a lot of times, I mean, personally, whenever I'm asked if I want to get traveler's insurance, I click no because I feel like a lot of times it doesn't cover the things that it needs to cover. Like this is a big one. And like you said, this is a really important thing for people to know. It often will not cover something like a coronavirus outbreak.
Yes, that's a common misconception that travel insurance will cover any reason you need to cancel, even if your mind or some other kind of comes up that you need to tend to that is not considered an emergency. So something we do, looking at the policies as closely as possible and making sure what you may come up that will cancel your policy or cancel your trip is covered by that agreement you made with the travel insurance company.
In terms of airlines, the airlines, I think, have obviously they recognize this is a major issue. Are they issuing refunds at this point, or is it just airline by airline?
It's all on a case basis. There are some airlines like JetBlue that have started in the month of March for any trips that you book basically towards the end of the year, they will cover all cancellation and change fees moving forward. And this is hopefully insulate them from some of the issues that are going to come up economically and encourage flyers to still book with them because they can cancel if the coronavirus continues to spiral out of control.
Thanks so much, Andrew. The bottom line is read the fine print. Don't sign up for a trip unless you are sure about all of the policies and options for you. Thanks so much, Andrew.
Thanks for having me.